If your HVAC is blowing warm air, you gotta check a few things fast to get your cool back without sweating it out. First off, make sure your thermostat is actually set to cool mode and not heat or fan only. Sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how often it's just that. Next, if your unit is low on refrigerant, that's a big reason for warm air. You'll need a pro to recharge it since handling refrigerant isn't a DIY job. Take a peek at your compressor outside. See if it's running or making weird noises. If it's dead or struggling, that's a major culprit. Cleaning those condenser coils is super important too because dirt and debris block heat transfer and make your system less efficient. Change your air filter regularly because a clogged filter restricts airflow and can cause the unit to overheat. Check your vents inside the house to make sure they're open and not blocked by furniture or curtains. If you've gone through all this and still no cold air, it might be time to call in an HVAC technician for a deeper inspection. Don't ignore the problem because running a broken system wastes energy and can make your electric bill skyrocket. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC blowing warm air is ignoring the thermostat settings or assuming it's broken when it's just set wrong. Always double check that first. Another common issue is neglecting regular maintenance, like cleaning filters and coils, which causes the system to work harder and fail sooner. Fix this by setting reminders to clean or replace filters every month or two. The third mistake is trying to add refrigerant yourself without proper knowledge or tools, which can harm both the unit and the environment. Instead, always hire a certified technician to handle refrigerant safely and legally. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who specialize in HVAC repairs and other home services so you don't have to stress about who to call. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with people needing their expertise, making sure everyone gets the right help fast.